click the description. And here you see, Prequel App download link. Then, fill the I am not robot box. And wait for 10 seconds. Then, click the click here to continue box. And wait, for another 10 seconds. After that, click the get link option. And download the Prequel app, and install the app. Now, open the Prequel app. Now, click the plus icon, and select your photo. Now, click the search icon, and search avatar option. Click the avatar option, and wait for 10 seconds. Then, select option 2, 5, 6, 7. After that, your photo is ready to exporting. Let's do it for another photo. This is for practice. Follow the previous step, select your photo. Then click search option. Then, search avatar option. And select your favorite poses. And exporting your photo.